All right, what's going on, y'all? Back with another video. Today we're gonna look at the struts on the tailgate after you unlock the car. How about that? All right, so looking at the struts on the tailgate, as you can see, this is as high as this goes. That is the full height of the tailgate. Now, I've seen a user online talk about getting these swapped out for the Science of Speed one, so you can get a lot more clearance, and maybe it sits more like this high. But all that's needed to change this out are these two struts right here. You got one here, and we got one here. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description for the part to change this out so you can get a higher clearance. Now, as I'm working on this vehicle more, I'm definitely gonna have to purchase this upgrade. Have not purchased it yet, but just wanted to leave that information for anybody looking to upgrade this piece right here. So hope this video was helpful. Again, the links will be left in the description for the replacement struts. All right, I will catch you guys on the next video. This is your boy BT, signing off.